Hi everybody, my name's Matt.Elliott and I'm here at Guaranty RV Super Centers today to show you a great trailer. This is a Heritage Glen from Wildwood, which is built by Forest River. Forest River is the top of that food chain, and a lot of people like Forest River products. They build beautiful trailers, lots of variety in their lineup. So this is one of their nicest trailers. This is the Heritage Glen 271 RL. You can tell when you hear the letters RL, that it's going to be a rear lounge, and that's almost always the case with RLs. So when we go inside the Heritage Glen, the first thing we notice is that it's really updated in terms of its color schemes. The lumber materials in here are much lighter. You know, for years we've had this really dark kind of walnut and mahogany kind of interiors. And now we've gone to kind of a nice ash color, and I really like it. It throws around a lot more light, which complements all these big windows beautifully. Now we do have a trifold sofa in the back that can make a full-size bed, and that's, you know, with that big window right behind it, it's a really nice place to sit. And of course we've got the two settees here that act as kind of like a love seat. They both recline. There's a cup holders galore, and they're pointed directly at the TV set. So now we have this really large TV with a built-in home theater system, so you can do the most important thing when you go camping is to watch a movie. You can definitely do it in here. And it has the electric fireplace. Now, a lot of people don't get these things. They're, you know, when I first saw them, I was like, well, electric fireplace, why would I need that? This is such a good way to heat this coach. Use electricity, save your propane, and the best thing of all is it's quiet. It doesn't sound like a forced air furnace. So you can warm this coach if you have electricity available. It's really ambient. It's really nice. I totally love that. Now this one has a freestanding table and chairs dinette. A lot of people prefer that because it feels more open and more homey. The seat lids on the chairs actually lift up, and there's some more storage under there. And then as we turn around to the galley, the first thing we're going to see is we have a really nice hutch and an extra counter space where we have USB ports to plug into and extra storage. And right in front of the galley is an island kitchen. The island kitchen gives you extra storage, has a big farm sink, a wonderful metal single handle faucet with an adjustable nozzle so you can squirt the dishes out and do all that kind of thing. And behind you in the slide out is the refrigerator and microwave oven. Of course, it has a beautiful Furrion 3-burner stove with a glass fronted oven that you can see through so you can tell what you're cooking in there. It's just a really comprehensive galley, and it goes nicely in this living space. Then as we go forward, we have a really nice bathroom. And one thing I want to point out about this has a stand-up shower rather than a bathtub. Most people really don't have enough hot water on board to take a bath, so a shower works a little bit better in trailers. And also this has a retractable shower curtain. When you pull it out, it latches in place, and then when you release it, you can just return it. It just pulls itself back in. So you don't have that loose curtain flopping all over the place. It actually cleans itself when it goes away. So that's pretty neat. We go up into the bedroom, and we really notice that front window I mentioned earlier, because it just makes the bedroom feel much larger. And even though this one doesn't have a bedroom slide out, it has really a lot of wardrobe space. We have the two wardrobes on each side of the bed, and then we also have one at the foot of the bed, which is in the same area as the bathroom. So it gives you just a really good deal of storage. Of course, the bed lifts up, and there's a gob of storage under there too. So when you look at the exterior of this rig, you're seeing lots and lots of great technologies. For example, this has a wide stance axle, and whenever you get it, especially in a longer trailer, one of the ways you can mitigate that sort of difficulty in towing as far as weight distribution, hitch weight, and things like that is to widen the axles. That's what this has. The axles are farther apart from each other, so that really helps the way they tow. Also, this has power stabilizer jacks, which is something that everybody's really excited about. Has the new kind of steps. They're awesome. Your weight when you walk on the steps is on the ground, not on the trailer, so it isn't bouncing up and down as you go. And it's got a front window, which is something really lovely on a trailer to have. It makes the bedroom a whole different kind of place to be, that have light and visibility up there. So anyway, on the exterior, you're just going to see a lot of beauty and attractiveness and a real full complement of features. It has a roof rack, a fully walkable roof, so you can go up and not only maintain or inspect your seals, you can get debris off there, and you can just make sure everything's good up on top of your coach before you pull your slide in. That's a good thing to be able to do. So that's a thumbnail sketch for you on the Wildwood Heritage Glen 271 RL. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'd love to show it to you in person or answer any questions you might have. So please feel free to contact me directly. My name is Matt.Elliott, and you can reach me at 541-954-8495. You have a great day.